How would you like to get paid up to $12 per song you listen to and review? What's up everyone, Nathan here, and that's exactly what I'm gonna share with you here today. How you can get paid up to $12 per song you listen to and review in 2019. This is going to be easy PayPal money, so all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, internet marketing related tips and much more on a consistent basis. And hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, as I said, I'm gonna share with you how you can get paid up to $12 per song you listen to. And this is going to be PayPal money, so how cool is that? Now, make sure you watch the whole thing here so you don't miss out on any important information. And you're probably not going to get rich with this kind of opportunity. So if you're interested in building a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below. But we save that for the end of this video because for now we want to make some quick, easy PayPal money by just listening to music. Let's get started. Okay, so there are different sites online that you can make some money by listening to online radio or music, of course. And one of those sites is Unique Rewards. I shared this in the past, so we can have a quick look here. You can actually make money by watching videos, listening to radio, clicking ads, shopping online, reading emails. Another site that they want your opinion so they can predict if it's going to be a hit on the radio and so on is hitpredictor.com. So you basically share your opinion for the song. They want your feedback, so they're going to know if it's going to be a hit or not. Okay. And there is also Research FM that came up to my mind here, pretty similar as Hit Predictor, so they want you to fill in a survey, actually a feedback regarding the song. Okay, basically what we are interested in here today is go to the site that is called playlistpush.com. And you can see here what they do is they actually connecting artists to playlist curators, and that exactly is what we are going to apply for. So we hit the 4 curators here, and you can see here you get paid to review songs. We pay you to listen and review songs. If you like it, we ask you to consider adding it to one of your playlists. Now, to qualify as a curator, you need to own playlist with at least 400 followers on either Spotify, Deezer or Apple Music. And it is really simple to reach up to 400 followers. I'm going to show you real soon here. But let's read on here. As you can see, depending on your reputation and engagement, you can earn up to $12 per song. Exactly as I said here in the beginning. You support, of course, indie artists, so each time you place a song, you help artists gain new fans and grow their followings. Another cool thing is that they have weekly payouts also here, and of course you discover new music by independent artists for your playlists. So playlistpush.com, and you go to the section where it says curators. There is an FAQ section, but there's no need for me. You can actually have a look at this for yourself. So basically you need to do a playlist on Spotify, and then you will need to start to share it around the internet here. So just go to Google, and if you start to type where you can share your playlist, you will find tons of sites actually, to be honest here. One of those that came up to my mind here was Playlists.net, but there is definitely much more sites that you can sign up for and share your Spotify playlist there. So you need to put, of course, a little bit effort to reach up to 400, as it said here earlier on Playlist Push, 400 followers, and then you can, of course, get started to make some easy PayPal money here. Alright, as I said in the beginning, you're probably not going to get rich with this kind of opportunity. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below. If you got some value on this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. Don't leave yet. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine and both are related to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, affiliate marketing and much more. I upload those on a consistent basis. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you soon.